This is our latest update for the Leap V2 headrest. As of today, we are now in the assembly phase. So this is great news for you guys. All the parts are manufactured. You'll see little clips here and there. And these parts are now just being assembled manually. Soon enough, we're going to be going in the next couple days into the packaging phase, right before they ship out from the factory and arrive to us and then get individually shipped. Yeah, we're looking at a very, very soon ETA in terms of the first and second waves. Like I said, those are the only waves that are going to be delayed. All the other future waves and orders will be on time. So you're going to be looking at something like everything else is accurate. Everything from the July dates onwards are all going to be accurate. And then once they're here in stock, we're going to be turning off the pre-order pricing, and that special pricing will no longer be available. But on the plus side, anyone that orders after that, they'll probably be receiving their order with only a few short business days, as opposed to a few weeks or months for the people that ordered really early on. Thanks again for your patience. This is a really short update, and again, appreciate your patronage.